Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 21st, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we definitely have been drifting down. The momentum is definitely down right now. Now, looking at the US dollar index, this actually could go down quite a bit. I mean, it could even go down to one of these much lower fib levels, and it could possibly even take out these previous lows. So we definitely are looking for sorts unless we get a break to the upside on these higher time frames at a Fibonacci level. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would think that the best opportunities right now are sorting opportunities. I also would not be trying to go short right now because we're probably at the bottom of a wave. But if you do see a pullback, a three-wave pullback especially, then I would throw my Fibonacci retracement on the last wave down. I would look for three waves up. I would look for a golfing down at the Fibonacci level for my next entry to go to short. Now, I'm not saying that it may not drift up. It could drift up for sure. It might even go up quite a bit. I just think the more reliable, the better odds of good winning trades is definitely to the short side right now because that's what the daily time frame is telling us to do. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.